Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we're going to look at this 1985 Chevy Silverado C10. Beautiful, beautiful C10 here. This is a gorgeous truck, show quality, does have the original Silverado package. Really unbelievable square body that we have here available. Collector car quality, Barrett-Jackson quality. I'd encourage you to go and look at the undercarriage pictures on my website. 100 times better than it looked when it was brand new. The paint job on this truck is 100 times better than it ever was from the factory. It's an absolutely high-end quality build here. It does have an LS2 motor in it that was built by Hills Hot Rods to look like the original 350. To resemble the original 350, but it's an LS2 4L60 transmission. Absolutely stunning truck. The original color was apple red. Not a scratch or a dent or imperfection on this truck anywhere. 22-inch wheels. Take a look at this custom interior that was done. Of course, it has the Dakota digital gauges in here. Everything is working perfectly. Power windows, power locks. This gorgeous chocolate brown. Everything in here was custom done. This is a leather wrapped dash. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Even these buttons, I mean, everything is mint condition. Bluetooth radio, of course. It smells like a new car in here. Does have a custom kicker sound system. I have all the invoices for the interior on this truck. It was over $10,000 to do this interior. There's a subwoofer under the seat with the amps. And then you've got these really nice kick panels those are also kicker speakers in there as well. I'll pop the hood while I'm down here. And there's your OBD port right there. Runs and drives perfect. Absolute beauty, I can't tell you enough. Take a look here, LS2. Sounds perfect in here too. Every nut and bolt on this truck is new. Unbelievable. Guaranteed to win any show that you take this truck to. I've been doing this a long time and I very rarely come across builds this nice. Can't reiterate that enough. Disc brakes up front. Only a few hundred miles on this build, so it's ready to go. Just absolutely gorgeous. Give us a call, text, email. Get back to you real quick on the responses. We can ship this to you enclosed trailer anywhere in the country. If you want more videos or pictures, you can reach out to me and request those. Paperwork can be done long distance. Funding can be done long distance. We make it real easy here at Rogers Motor Cars. So give me a call, text me, email. I hope to hear from you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel here. I've got several vehicles that I'm about to upload videos on coming down the pipeline. And that's it. We'll wrap up the video on this 85 C10. Hope to hear from you soon.